Hey, I'm Steve, and this is the Victorinox Classic 7-function pocket knife. This is one of those classic small pocket knives. Everyone has heard of Victorinox and they've seen these little knives, and there's a reason they're popular all over the world. They're just so multifunction. They've got the scissors, and right here they've got a pair of tweezers. I mean, you know, what's not to love about this little knife? It's just a great little knife. It's got the blade itself, got a nail file, screwdriver, scissors, key ring, tweezers, and even a toothpick. Get one of these Swiss Army knives for yourself, or it makes a fantastic gift. Alright, if you're looking at this, I hope you found my video helpful.